Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to basically play OG Warzone Ranked, and it is very simple. All you have to do is make your way over to the home screen. From the home screen you can make your way over to Call of Duty Warzone Season 3 or Call of Duty Warzone Verdansk is Back. I recommend doing the one on the right. Anyways, once you are here, you can go ahead and make your way over to Warzone Ranked Play. Now, if I remember correctly, I think you have to like play 20 games or something. It should say something about playing 20 games. I'm not sure, but Warzone Ranked Play will be right here, and then obviously this will be for OG Warzone. So you know, it's the OG map, Verdansk, whatever, and that is basically, it's very simple, very easy to follow. Only thing is, like, condition is, I believe you have to play a certain amount of I'm not exactly sure, but I think you have to play a certain amount of things to unlock ranked. But once you're done with that, you can go ahead and access it from here. Now that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.